What is the status of nutritional security in India? What is current status, challenges, government initiatives? Lecture is important for GS paper 3, for prelims and for mains. What is nutritional security? Nutritional security means physical, economic and social access to balanced diet, clean drinking water, safe environment and health care for every individuals. What is the status of nutritional insecurity in India? According to the National Sample Survey Office Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2020 to 2023, the average daily per capita calorie requirement for a healthy life is 2172 calorie in rural India and 2135 calorie in urban India. The poorest 5% of population fall very behind of this requirement. Average daily calorie intake in rural India is 1564 calorie compared to a required 2172 calorie. In urban areas, the intake is 1607 calorie against a requirement of 2135 calorie. The high nutritional deficiency among the poorest segment of society highlight the urgent need for targeted nutritional schemes. What are the latest findings of National Family Health Survey 5 regarding malnutrition? Malnutrition का regarding National Family Health Survey 5 की क्या-क्या latest findings रही हैं? More than half, it means about 57% the Indian women between 15 to 49 age group are anemic. The prevalence of stunting among children under 5 years is 35.5. Stunting means low height for age. The prevalence of wasting among children under 5 years is 19.3%. Wasting means low weight for height. The proportion of underweight children in India is 32.1%. What are the reasons for the lack of nutritional security in India? अ, इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी के लैक के क्या-क्या रीजंस हैं? नंबर 1, अफोर्डेबिलिटी इश्यूज फॉर द पुअर हाउसहोल्ड. Affordability of nutritious food products such as protein-rich diet, green leafy vegetables has become very difficult for the poor household in India. The increasing wealth inequality has also exacerbated nutritional insecurity. Top 10% of Indians holding 57% of the national income. Number 2, more focus on staple crops. Agricultural policies in India, like Green Revolution, have prioritized the production of staple crops as rice and wheat, but not focus on nutrient-rich crops. It has led to micronutrient deficiencies among the population. Number 3, calories fundamentalism. The focus of the PDS has been limited to only food security and calorie requirement. Nutritional development has not been taken into account. Number 4, lack of effective implementation of child care practices. Child caring practices such as breastfeeding and introduction of complementary food and diversified diet after the first 6 months are not properly implemented. For example, only 55% of children in India were exclusively breastfed in 2015-16. Number 5, growth of junk food and fast food culture. Cheaper and easily available fast and junk food has replaced the nutritious food in the dietary intake of Indian population. For example, as per a recent household consumption survey, Indians are spending less on cereals and pulses and more on beverages, refreshment, and processed food. Number 6, increased income and urbanization. Increased income level of people have led to a rise in the consumption of food high in sugar, fat, and low physical activity. Number 7, feminine marginalization in nutrition. The nutritional requirement of young female in poor and lower middle income households are not prioritized. This led to malnourished female population and their children. For example, large prevalence of anemia due to inadequate focus on iron deficiency in female diet. What are the negative effects of malnutrition? Number 1, child death. According to a Lancet study in 2019, about 68% of 1.04 million deaths of children under 5 years in India were due to malnutrition. Number 2, improper development of children in early years. Obesity in children causes to stunted physical development. Number 3, psychosocial impact. Malnourished people face psychosocial challenges like body image issues and mental health concerns due to societal stigmas. Number 4, economic burden. Malnutrition increases the economic burden due to productivity loss of body, which lead to decreased work efficiency and absenteeism. Number 5, social inequality and disparities. Malnutrition and undernutrition continue to cycle of health challenges and economic disadvantages among the vulnerable sections, increase socio-economic disparities. Mostly, women are disproportionately affected by malnutrition, facing challenges related to maternal health, productive health, and overall health being. What initiatives have been undertaken to provide for nutritional security in India? इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव्स टेकिंग किए गए हैं? नंबर वन, नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मिशन. National Nutrition Mission, also known as Poshan Abhiyan, has been launched to reduce stunting, underweight, and low birth weight, each by 2% per annum. It also aimed to reduce anemia among children, adolescent girls, and women, each by 3% per annum by 2022. Number two, National Nutrition Study 2017. It aimed to reduce the prevalence of underweight children between 0 to 3 years by 3% every year by 2022 from National Family Health Survey 2015-16 estimates. Number three, Integrated Child Development Services. ICDS provide nutritional meals, primary health care, immunization, preschool education, health checkup services to children under 6 years and their mothers. Number four, National Breastfeeding Promotion Program. Program like Mother's Absolute Affection and Vatsalya, Matre Amrit Kosh aim to improve breastfeeding practice. Number five, midday meal scheme. It aims to provide a good meal to every child within the age group of 6 to 14 years studying in class 1st to 8th who enroll and attend the school. This is PYQ related to this article. Which of the following is are the indicators used by the IFPRA to compute the Global Hunger Index report 2016? The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3. It means undernourishment, child stunting, child mortality. ये सभी ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट के अंदर कंप्यूट किए जाते हैं. दिस इज मीन्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. हाउ फार डू यू एग्री विद द व्यू दैट द फोकस ऑन लैक ऑफ अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फूड एज द मेन कॉज ऑफ हंगर टेक द अटेंशन अवे फ्रॉम इनफेक्टिव ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसीज इन इंडिया?